أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وما لي لا أعبد الذي فطرني وإليه ترجعون أتخذ من دونه آلهة يردني الرحمن بضر لا تغن عني شفاعتهم شيئا ولا ينقذون إني إذا لفي ضلال مبين إني آمنت بربكم فاسمعون صدق الله العلي العظيم. Lecture number 35 for 10th class with the disease hypermetropia. I told you myopia. Today I will tell you what is hypermetropia. By name it is clear. Long sight. Long sight means you are able to see at long distance. You are able to see at the long distance. Long distance you are able to see in the long distance. Means that you are not able to see closer objects. Short objects which are very closer to you, you are unable to see. How you will modify this? How you can correct this error? By using another lens. Which lens? Concave lens. First of all, I will tell you what is the problem occur. What is the problem occur in this? What is the problem occur in this disease? The problem in this disease occur that the problem is that the eyeball size, once again the issue. Here, look here. As I told you, this is very easy. You just see which type of objects you cannot see, and you will change the size of the eyeball according to that situation. In this case, hypermetropia, you are able to see closer objects, or you are able to see distant object. You are able to see distant object, right? And which objects you are unable to see? You are unable to see closer objects. Yeah, you are unable to see closer objects. So when you are unable to see closer object, mean size will decrease. This is very easy. You keep that concept with you. You are not able to see distant object, the size of the eyeball will increase. You are not able to see closer object, the size will decrease. So what will happen? The size has decreased. The size of the eyeball is decreased. So what is the problem now? The eyeball will not refract the angle to the specific location. Mean the light rays will not fall when it will enter to the cornea. It will enter to the aqueous humor, biconvex lens, the vitreous humor. Then after refracting all these structures of the eye, even in spite of having efforts of pupil by opening and closing of the size, by adjusting the size, also ciliary muscles contraction for the adjustment of the biconvex lens, and also the iris, which are the muscles which controls the opening and the size of the pupil, and also cornea, which allows the light rays to pass on to the aqueous humor, and aqueous humor liquid will refract, the vitreous humor will refract. All they will do, but they are unable to pass the image, the light rays on retina, on rod shaped cell, cone shaped cell. The reason is only one: the size of the eyeball, you can see in the figure, that has been reduced. That is the normal size, but now the size is this one. Mean now the size is this one. So these rays will be refracted according to normal eyeball. Because eyeball size is less, the image will be formed at the back side. Mean that rays will not pass on rod shaped cell, cone shaped cell. I think 30-40 times I spoke in the last 10 lectures that rod shaped cell, cone shaped cells must receive the light rays. Reason I was emphasizing on these points, because rod shaped cell, cone shaped cells will not receive the light image. You are not able to see, because they will generate the nerve impulse by breaking the rhodopsin and iodopsin. Now the point is that the image mean that rod shaped cells, that light rays will fall on the back side of the eyeball, because eyeball size is smaller, and this image is formed according to normal eyeball. Normal eyeball size is this one, so image will be formed here. Normal eyeball size is this one. I must decrease this one, because when I will Just hold on, I am doing this. I will make the figure here. The normal eyeball size is this one. Normal eyeball size this one. So image will be formed here in this location, retina. Clear? So when the eyeball size will decrease like this one, now the eyeball size has been decreased, so what will happen? The biconvex lens normally will form the image here, which is the normal size. Now the image will not formed here, image will be formed here. Reason, because this is the normal size. Normal eyeball size is this. Now the size has been reduced. Now what is the correction? You cannot change the eyeball, you cannot change the eyeball size, you cannot change anything. So you can use another convex lens in your eyeglasses. When you will use the both are converging lens, because you want image here. So what will happen? This biconvex lens, one convex lens also converge, other convex lens also converge, and 50% conversion will be by the biconvex lens which you are wearing in the form of the glasses. That 50% conversion will be from the biconvex lens which is naturally provided by Allah Ta'ala, and that rays which will be converted by those biconvex lens, they will fall on your rod shaped cell, cone shaped cell, and they will not go at the back side. This is called hypermetropia. So hypermetropia, dear students, what will happen in hypermetropia? The size of the eyeball will reduce, and when it will reduce, the image will be formed at the back side, which is the normal eyeball size. So normal eyeball size if there, then this image will be formed here, so it will go to the same location at the normal eyeball size. But actually the retina situated here, because the size has been reduced. When size is reduced, the image will not form here. Rod shaped cell, cone shaped cell will not present here, they will not receive the light, and you will be blind, and you will not be see closer object in hypermetropia, which is the disease that you are unable to see closer object and you are able to see long object, mean you are short-sightedness a human being. So what is the correction? You will use another convex lens, not the concave lens. Concave lens, diverging lens. Convex lens, the convex lens, the converging lens. So these converging will be 50% by this one, 50% by this one. You will be able to control, and these converging by both by convex lens, the image will be formed at the retina, and now the retina will receive the image which you want, and you will be able to see. And this is the solution by using another biconvex. Two biconvex lens are used in hypermetropia. This is a refraction, converging, more converging. This is a converging, more converging. Image will be found at a place where the eyeball size is reduced. And the student, you got information about the hypermetropia. Thank you very much.